What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Realme Note 50 smartphone and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, the accessories, display, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here on the retail box, we can see the Realme branding, the Note 50 branding. On the back, we got some of the hardware specs that it comes with: a 6.74-inch display, we got 13 megapixel AI camera, the device is 7.9 mm thick and it comes with an octa-core chip. The color variant of the device we got inside is sky blue and it comes with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. There is another variant with 3GB RAM and 64GB storage as well, and this is a 4G smartphone. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got a SIM card tray ejector pin, some quick start guide, user manuals. Here we got a case for the back panel. Here is our Realme Note 50, a USB Type-C cable, and here we got a 10-watt charger. I'm not sure why it comes with Superbook branding because it's just a 10-watt charger. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Realme Note 50, the smartphone, SIM card tray ejector pin, USB Type-C cable, 10-watt charger, a case for the back panel, and some quick start guide, user manuals, etc. So here is our Realme Note 50. On this sticker, once again, you can have a look on some of the hardware specs of the device that it comes with: 5000 mAh battery, we got virtually 8GB RAM. As we have seen, it comes with 4GB RAM, 4GB dynamic RAM. So we will get total 8GB RAM. So let's switch on the device. After that, we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our Realme Note 50. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Realme Note 50. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So on the front side, we got this huge screen with 86% screen to body ratio. We got a bit of bezels on the side, but the bottom bezel is quite prominent and thick. The top bezel is pretty much same as the side bezels in terms of thickness. And we got a notch here at the top bezel where you will find the front facing camera. The notch is actually getting disappeared from the smartphones, but considering the price segment of Realme Note 50, it's still quite justified. At the top there is nothing provided. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and the microphone. On the left side we got the SIM card tray slot where you will find 2 nano SIM cards and a dedicated micro SD card slot. On the right side we got the volume keys and the power button, beneath which you will find a fingerprint sensor as well. On the back of the device we got Realme branding, some regulatory information and dual tone finish of the back panel. This is the sky blue color variant and it looks quite beautiful and eye-catching for sure because of this glittering effect we are getting at the upper part of our Realme Note 50. As you can see, the back panel as well as the frame is made of plastic and it is 8mm thick. The Realme Note 50 comes with IP54 water and dust resistance. So considering the price segment of this device, this is quite impressive. The display does not come with Gorilla Glass etc, but Realme officially says that it comes with a reinforced glass that is pretty durable and it also comes with a screen protector pre-applied on it. At 186 grams, the device is quite lightweight considering its display size and the battery capacity, and you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing much issue. The placement of the fingerprint sensor is also quite nice and does not matter whether you are a right-handed person or the left-handed person, you will be able to use it without facing any issue. Talking about the display, we got a 6.74-inch IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, 720 x 1600 pixels resolution with 86% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you will get is 260, and considering the price segment of the device, it is still pretty good and you will enjoy watching all kind of content on this device as the colors are very well saturated and the device is sharp enough, especially considering its price segment. The typical max brightness is 400 nits and under the high brightness mode it can go as high as 650 nits. So once again, considering the price segment of the device, the 650 nits brightness is quite nice and you won't face much issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. The lowest brightness is also quite low, and because of that you will be able to use it in low light situation without putting any strain to your eyes. It comes with 90Hz refresh rate, but there is no option provided to use it as fixed refresh rate of the display. So either you can select the 60Hz or auto, where it will decide what you are doing, and based on that it will switch between 90Hz and 60Hz. Talking about the hardware, it comes with a Unisoc Tiger T612 processor, Mali G57 GPU, 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. As I said, there is another variant with 3GB RAM and 64GB storage, and here you can see that out of 128GB, 20GB is already used, so you will get 108GB free. And if you're not happy with that, then of course you can use a memory card to expand the storage of your Realme Note 50. But even though the name of the device is Note 50, please do not consider it as a high-end device with great hardware specs, huge amount of battery or a stylus as we usually get with other Note series devices from other brands. It is a budget and entry-level smartphone, and considering the price segment of the device, the hardware, storage, RAM we are getting is fully justified. Talking about the software, it comes with Android 13 with Realme UI on top of it. That is the trimmed down version of Realme UI, but still it comes with lots of options and settings for customization, and you will still be able to do lots of customization for a nice user experience. As you can see, it comes with lots of Realme applications like the weather, app market. Under tools you will find sound recorder, compass, and then we got the file manager, phone manager, clock, videos, and some third-party bloatware applications like Facebook, Amazon, Snapchat, TikTok, etc. But the good part is that if you do not want these applications on your Realme Note 50, then you can easily uninstall them. So this is quite nice that Realme is not forcing us to have all of these applications. It also comes with Netflix. We got a Phoenix application, I'm not sure what exactly it does, and then we got some more third-party applications, folders that will be automatic populated with hot applications and games. The user interface looks smooth enough, especially considering the price segment and the hardware of the device. Now talking about the camera, we got a 5MP front-facing camera capable of recording 720p videos at 30fps, and on the back we got dual camera setup where you will find 13MP primary camera capable of recording full HD resolution videos at 30fps and a 0.08MP auxiliary lens for bokeh effect. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that in photo mode we got the beautification filter, and it comes with HDR as well. And then if we go to the video mode, it comes with flashlight. There is a dedicated night mode provided. The maximum zoom possible in the photo mode is 10x. We got the portrait mode, that is the combination of bokeh effect and beautification, and it also comes with HDR. You can even manually select the aperture to create depth of field. If you go to more, you can see that it comes with time-lapse, pro mode, panorama, and QR code scanning as well. So considering the price segment of the device, the camera features and options are looking good enough because this is an entry-level smartphone, but still we got plenty of camera features and options. So we will see how good the camera performance of Realme Note 50 is going to be, but right now I just wanted to give you a quick idea about the features and options we got here. Overall, Realme Note 50 is looking a nice entry-level smartphone considering that it comes with a huge display with 90Hz refresh rate, IP54 water and dust resistance, fingerprint sensor, 4GB RAM with 4GB virtual RAM, a dedicated microSD card slot, 3.5mm jack, and a good enough hardware for its price segment. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Realme Note 50 like the gaming performance test, benchmarking test, comparison with some other smartphones in this price segment, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.